Welcome to the installation video of SL-18 sliding system. SL-18 is suitable for both 2-door and 3-door wardrobe, as well as for wooden door and aluminum doors. Installation of SL-18 can be done in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Get your cabinet structure ready. Step 2. Make doors as per specifications. Step 3. Unbox SL-18. Step 4. Installation. Step 1. Get your cabinet structure ready. The door requires 105 mm space to be left to be installed effectively. Step 2. Make doors as per specifications. Follow the given dimensions to make the door. Step 3. Unbox SL-18. The package contains top track, bottom cover profile, dampeners, top track clip, fixing screws and caps, guide rollers, door runners, Allen key, dust strip. Step 4. Installation. Measure the inside cabinet width. The top track, bottom track, and its cover profile comes in 2400 mm length and 3600 mm length. Cut the track with reference to the inside cabinet width. Insert a pair of dampener on both the sides of top track. Attach end caps and secure them with Allen key. Place the dampener at a distance of 103 mm from both ends of the side panel. Insert and mount the dampeners with Allen key as shown in the video. Fix the clips on the top panel of the cabinet as shown in the video. Once done, attach the top tracks securely with these clips. Then, mount top tracks with screws. For securing the bottom track in its place, start by aligning it and then drill it to its place. Once done, cover the screws with the bottom profile cover. Attach the runners at the bottom of the door and guide rollers to the outer door. Lift the wheel and lock the latch. Attach the runners at the bottom of the door and guide rollers to the inner door. Lift the wheel and lock the latch. Align the guide part with reference to door thickness. Lift the wheel and lock the latch. Now assemble inners and outer doors. Secure both doors by releasing the latch. SL-18 has a special door-to-door gap adjustment feature. Use a 3 mm Allen key to adjust the gap between doors to 11.9 mm. 12 mm gap can be maintained for all door thickness. Adjust door height with the specified screw and tighten with the spanner. Your wardrobe with SL-18 is now ready.